Hello students, today we will discuss about factorization. The factorization is a process of representing the given expression in the form of the product of two or more factors. These factors may be either of the numbers or variables or algebraic expressions themselves. Let me demonstrate you with the help of an example. If we focus in this expression 12x square minus 27, we can see that both of 12 and 27 divisible by 3. So we can take 3 as common and the remaining part will be 4x square minus 9. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. So the remaining part is 4x square minus 9. Now come to the next line. So we will continue with 3 like this, and if we focus particularly on 4x square and minus 9, we can see that we can make them perfect square individually. So perfect square of 4x square is 2x whole square and 9 will be 3 square, right? We are accustomed with this formula a square minus b square, and the formula is a plus b into a minus b, right? So we can write in this way. 3 will be continue. So 2x whole square minus 3 square can be written as 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 3 according to the formula. So we have done factorization of 2x square minus 27. Let me show you another type of factorization. The given expression is 3x squared minus 10x plus 8. So over here we can see there are 3 terms. So in this type of factorization we need to focus in the first term and in the last term. So we need to multiply first term and the last term. So 3 8s are 24. So very next step we need to find out LCM of this 24. So who can divide? 2 can divide. So 2 12s are 24. Again 2 can divide. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 can divide. 2 3s are 6. Now taking all these factors, we need to adjust in such a way so that this inner parts, either by addition or subtraction, it comes same, okay, and multiplying these two numbers, it should come this number. So over here 3x square minus, see I have written 6 plus 4. If you multiply 6 and 4, it is coming 24, and at the same time if you add 6 and 4, it is coming 10 like in the question, okay, in the given expression. So we can write in this way. So this is the important line, we need to write it properly. So the ultimate thing we have written, that is 3x square minus of 6 plus 4 into x plus 8. Then after that we will open that bracket and minus will get inside, and we know that whenever minus comes inside the bracket it changes the remaining signs. So it is becoming 3x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 8. Now from first two terms we will take common. So we can take 3 and x as common. So the remaining part is x minus 2. And again from the last two terms we can take as common minus 4. So the remaining part is x minus 2. So in this line, if we see the whole expression, x minus 2 is common, so that we can take as outside, and the remaining part will be 3x minus 4, so which is becoming 3x minus 4. So the ultimate factorization of 3x square minus 10x plus 8 is x minus 2 into 3x minus 4. Thank you.